Hello everyone, my name is Chao Yuan and you can also call me Betty. Today I will illustrate the spiral model. I divide it into three parts. What is spiral model? How spiral model works, and advantage and disadvantage. Right now, let's move on the first part. What is spiral model? Dr. Barry published a spiral model which is used for software development. Normally, a great number of companies will choose this model in some complex program. Spiral model is using a circle approach to system development. This leads to the development of numerous intermediate versions. Using it, the program manager will be able to test certain concepts for the customer at an early stage. But we can also use it into education. There are several principles about it. The first one begins with the experience and the interest of the participants. The second one is content of the educational process flows from their experience, and then that is new information is needed, and then is that through a collective process of dialogue, participants explore their experience and identify problems they wish to address. And the fifth one is that participants themselves are source of the stage for action and must be developed the skills for talking actions. And the last one is action is part of learning process. Speaking of spiral model, we have to know how it works. Step 1 is a combination of sharing experience and building trust. In order to move forward, participants need to establish a collaborate working relationship and begin a democratic dialogue. Out of the sharing experience, themes emerge issues that people shared, problems they face, problems of option. Step 2 is to identify these themes and then analyze them. How do these problems work? Where do they come from? Step 3 is adding a new information. Some of this information comes via the facilitator and or the sponsor or sparring groups. Some of it comes from other sources. Some comes from research carried out by participants themselves. The fourth step is planning for action and practicing skills. This is where people are creating stage and tactics, thinking about what they want and how they plan to get it. Step 5, action is crucial, I think. The connection between education and action is not a solid line. It is not so predictable. Any given educational process may not produce action, or it may take a long time or come up in an unexpected way. And the last part of spiral model is advantage and disadvantage. For advantage, I think students can know each other and they can give the best solution because spiral model is based on interesting and experience of student. On top of that, when students are sharing their own experience, this is the best time to build trust, which is the basic of work. But for a disadvantage, I think this model is not efficient because students will spend lots of time on knowing each other and will lose time of studying and teaching. This teaching is too lazy. It depends on group discussion and give advance. That is the all of thing of sparing model. Thank you for watching today.